we are walking around right now, just shopping. We're looking for actually a holy picture put up in our apartment. It's a beautiful day here. It is November.
It's been like really cold and rainy. And chilly lately,
so I had like a scarf and jacket on. Now I'm sweating me hot. Stella is wearing sandals. So she's dressed perfectly for today's weather. Going into beautiful shops here.
A quanto costa? 15.
Come on, you can do it.
She got it.
I think that was illegal.
No, I don't think so, because they fall on the ground. Look it on the ground right now.
I know, exactly. So I know these are just oranges on the main street. So all down the main
Benedetto
street.
just goes, by the way, the clerk was happy to see you.
All the way down, up and down the main street, there are orange and lemon trees. So I don't know if we're supposed to or even allowed to, but we've picked our oranges fruit for today. So parking on the main street, instead of just parking like,
Interesting.
so if they don't fit, just
Parallel.
Yeah, they don't. So if you can't fit in parallel, they just pull in diagonally and just leave their car hanging out in the street like that, and that's normal here.
This is my future vehicle to get around town. It's perfect.
Today we are finally going to be walking to the beach. I feel like we've been talking about it now for a very long time, and we haven't gone because it's been rainy and we've had other plans doing other things.
And it's not the warmest day of the year, but
The warmest time of the year. But now it's very sunny and it's going to be in the 70s today, so
as I'm wearing a thick jacket.
it's a little warm for that, she knows. So we're going to go to the beach today. take a walk along the rocks. Oh, what is it called even?
The pier.
The pier. We're going to take a walk along the rocks. It's a very, very beautiful day out right now.
Recreating the photo Dad took 3 years ago where he pretended like he was pushing the boulder.